Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Laban, and over the past year I've helped over 1,000 individuals and businesses leverage AI and workflow automation to 10x their productivity. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to screen record while in Google Meet, step by step, so that you can capture meetings, presentations or tutorials without any hassle. It only takes a couple of minutes, and by the end of this video you'll be confidently recording your Google Meet sessions with crystal clear video and audio. But that's not all. If you stick around till the end, I'll also share a bonus tip on recording Google Meet on mobile devices, which many people find tricky. Before we dive in, pause for a moment to hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It really helps support the channel. We are just getting started, and your support helps us reach our first 100 subscribers. So if you want to record your Google Meet, you come to these three dots here. You click on it, then you come to settings. After settings, you come to extensions, you come to Chrome Web Store, and then you search for screen recording. You'll see this one, screen record and screen tool. You click on it, you add the extension to Chrome, you add it to Chrome. That's what you do. Once it's added, you see it's downloading. Once it's added, then you get it, it's here. And when you come to this icon for extensions, you'll find that it's here. So what you need to do is you click on manage these extensions, and then you click on the details. If you scroll down, you see it's saying pin to toolbar, so you activate that. Now it's been pinned there. So when you come to new meeting, you say create a meeting for later. You pick this, you pick the link, you copy the link, then you activate the meeting. So you say join the meeting. So once the meeting is ready, you say join the meeting. Once you've joined the meeting, now you need to ensure that this is running. Sorry guys. You ensure that the extension begins to record. So you see, you click on here, and then you allow record for mic, and you also allow record tab for sound, and then start recording. As you can see, it should be counting somewhere, guys. This means it should be counting actually. I don't know where the countdown is, the count time is. Let me see, I'm looking for it. Yes. What is the extension doing? Yeah, it's counting. As you can see, it's saying 0, 21, 22. And basically, guys, that's how you do it. That's how you record your videos on Google Meet. Thank you, and see you in the next video.